And for anyone who works on tailors, they know that they have these shims in, which need to be tapered. I'm going to taper that shim, and that'll allow us to kind of tilt the neck back and bring the action down so Murray can play the thing. You won't need a vice grip for a left hand. And put a nice taper on this shim. And that's going to give us the neck set that we need. I'll take that down just a little bit more. I think that's going to do it. We'll put that neck on and sort of check that neck angle again. Okay, neck reset is done. Frets are level, ground, and polished. A little drop oil on that fingerboard. Looking good. After talking to Murray, because he does a lot of fingerstyle stuff, we're going to switch him over to a custom light string, which is 11 to 52.